During investigations connected to Jeffrey Epstein, authorities collected a wide range of evidence. This included documents, digital storage devices, and visual material such as images and video recordings. Over the years, references to this material have appeared in court filings, legal motions, and verified news reporting. However, very little of this visual evidence has ever been released publicly. This video explains what is officially known about the images and videos mentioned in the Epstein Files, how they were treated by the legal system, and why most of this material remains inaccessible today. The Epstein case involved multiple investigations across different years and jurisdictions. Law enforcement agencies documented evidence using standard investigative procedures. According to court records, digital devices and storage media were collected, catalogued, and preserved as part of these investigations. In legal filings, these materials are often referenced broadly, without detailed descriptions. This is common in sensitive cases, especially when evidence involves privacy concerns. The presence of images or videos in a case file does not automatically indicate public disclosure. In many cases, such material is never intended to be viewed outside legal proceedings. Publicly available court documents confirm that investigators recovered visual material during evidence collection. These references typically appear in sworn statements, search warrants, and evidence logs. The records confirm existence, but do not describe content in detail. This limitation is intentional. Courts avoid detailed descriptions when doing so could violate privacy, prejudice proceedings, or lead to misuse of sensitive material. As a result, the public record acknowledges the material without revealing it. This creates a situation where evidence is known to exist, but not known in substance. Court filings and verified reporting also reference video recordings connected to the Epstein investigations. These references confirm that video material was collected and reviewed by investigators. However, none of these videos were released publicly. No video evidence was shown in open court, and no detailed descriptions were included in public judgments. This absence is not unusual. In cases involving sensitive content, courts routinely restrict access even after proceedings conclude. The goal is protection, not secrecy for its own sake. There are clear legal reasons why images and videos remain sealed. These include protecting victims' identities, preventing further harm, and avoiding unlawful distribution. Judges have the authority to permanently seal evidence when public release would serve no legal purpose. In the Epstein case, court orders and legal standards kept most visual material restricted. Even journalists and researchers cannot access sealed evidence without court approval. This ensures control, but limits transparency. Trials play a critical role in establishing public records. During a trial, evidence is introduced, examined, and documented openly. Because no full criminal trial occurred, this process never took place. That means the images and videos were never formally presented, explained, or contextualized for the public. This does not mean the evidence lacked importance. It means the legal process ended before public examination occurred. When evidence exists but remains inaccessible, public understanding remains limited. This often leads to speculation. However, speculation fills gaps created by legal restrictions, not by facts. The Epstein Files highlight a broader issue within legal systems worldwide: how courts balance transparency with protection in sensitive cases. The images and videos referenced in these files remain legally restricted. What remains visible instead is the process itself. The images and videos found in the Epstein Files are documented, preserved, and sealed. They exist within legal boundaries set by courts and judges. Understanding this distinction is essential. The absence of public access does not erase evidence. It defines how evidence is handled when privacy and risk outweigh disclosure. In this case, the images tell a story not through what is shown, but through what remains restricted. Subscribe for verified document-based investigations.